Not too long ago, I made this video on screen here where I discussed how the Pump token and the ecosystem as a whole is going to earn people doctors' salaries. This is when things were completely slow and nothing was for certain. Fast forward to today, and boy was I right. Hundreds of streamers took advantage of the new creator awards, including the Bagwork boys, who made over $300,000 in rewards. Alex Becker's streamer coin, which made over $360,000 in fees, and is currently sitting at a market cap of 1.5 million. Unemployed coin featuring IRL streams in Miami, which made them over $90,000 in rewards, and is currently sitting at a market cap of roughly 85,000. And a whole lot of other streamers and creators who started streaming on Pumpfun and made anywhere from 4 to 5 figures plus in a very short period of time. And this is all without even mentioning the actual Pump token, which was the forefront of my video. And I mentioned how a lot of people are going to be earning rewards from this token or just trading the token in general. At a 4 billion FTV price, went all the way up to around 7 billion on the first day, made lows of around 3 billion, and it cooled off here for a little bit. But once the streamer meta started taking off, you can actually see the inflection point on the graph right around here. First week of September, it slowly started cooking all the way up. And this chart tells a pretty good story of the actual peak of the creator live streamer meta, which took the price all the way up to $9 billion in market cap. And from the lows, that was a clean 3x. From the initial IPO offering, that was a clean 2x. And overall, there's just lots of opportunities within this actual token, but also within the Pumpfun ecosystem. And in this video, we're going to discuss how you can take advantage of all of that and actually prepare for the next leg up. Now, the full streamer meta really kicked off about 2 weeks ago, I'd say, but this is coming after a couple weeks of kind of an uptrend leading up to this. And you can kind of visualize it just by looking at the Pumpfun Twitter account and kind of matching it up with the actual chart of the token. You can see around here, they started tweeting more and more about live streaming, and you even had Toli, who is one of the founders of Solana. He was actually starting to tweet stuff like this, like Pumpfun versus TikTok, September 13th, so right around 12 to 14 days ago. Matched that up with the chart of the token, and it was right before this little explosive run up to 9 billion market cap. He tweeted about it here around 6 billion. And that goes to show how quickly things can change, because just between this little 2-week time span, the chart went up 50% on a $9 billion market cap token. And that's why I kind of believe we're in this next leg transition phase for the next rally on the Pump token, but also the entire ecosystem as a whole. This little transition phase was about a month long, a month and a half, and it led to an explosive run up. And I think we're going to consolidate around here, and we're going to see another similar run up and part 2 of the streamer meta that should hopefully last a much longer period of time. And to kind of draw the strings all together, we've got Elon, the founder of Pumpfun, also tweeting stuff like this, saying Q4 is going to be Pumpfun's best quarter. Now, obviously, he might be a little bit biased when it comes to predicting his own platform's best quarter, but I agree with him in the sense that there's a lot of opportunity coming, especially in the next few weeks and months, and Pumpfun is probably going to be at the forefront of the entire Solana ecosystem, so why not be prepared for it? Not to mention, we still also have the Pumpfun airdrop on the way, which is reserved for not only traders, but also live streamers, and this is going to give an even higher incentive to stream on Pumpfun. And in just a few seconds, I'm going to show you my favorite live streamer tokens that I think could potentially be bottomed out or close to on the Pumpfun mobile app. Now, speaking of the app, it's been getting pretty much constant updates every single week since the token has been launched. I've already dedicated a full video to setting up the mobile app and trenching and making tons of quick in and out scalps. So go back and watch that one if you haven't already, and make sure to either use the link down below or just search pump.fun to get started on the app. The setup and trading experience is very seamless and easy. Now, while we're on this app, I want to talk about tokens. And if you've been following my channel, you know one of my specialties is dip buying. I love buying dips on tokens that I think are pretty much bottomed out and could easily run for a quick 2, 3, 4x once things start heating up once again. Let's talk about some of my favorite live streamer tokens that I think are close to bottoming out or bottomed out, but also some entire ecosystem pump.fun tokens as well. One of my favorite dip buys at the current moment is actually this stream.fun token. This token actually offers utility, not in the actual token itself, but in the fact that stream.fun is an actual platform where streamers can integrate their live streams with the stream.fun platform. And as you can see, the day that it really took off was on this day. It had a crazy spike all the way up to roughly $10.9 million market cap. Pretty astronomical stuff. It's currently sitting at roughly $800,000 market cap. So it's down once again, right around 92 to 94% drawdown. And even previously before the streamer meta, the good thing to see is that it was sitting at roughly 1.6 to 1.9 million market cap. Now, the reason I actually really like this token is because it's an actual toolkit with real usability. Like when you go on the About tab here and just click on the stream.fun website, you can see top pump.fun creator toolkit, shows you market data, handles donations, and allows you to engage with your audience. And there's just so much documentation and actual integrations that you can make on your live stream, which is why I think buying a dip on a token like this with real usability and real metrics is very beneficial. This is a token I'm definitely going to be building a position on either in the next few days, even maybe right after this. And I'll probably just ride it out and see what happens in the next few weeks and months, especially as the Pumpfun ecosystem as a whole, in my opinion, slowly makes a comeback. And this is definitely one of those tokens that I'll heavily consider, especially for my own dip buying strategy. This token that I've been eyeing a lot recently has been this kindness token. This token went on an insane run when live streaming was gearing up. You can kind of match up the chart here. Right around September 16th to September 18th, so right around 7 to 10 days ago, had this absolutely wicked run up from right about 2.3 million market cap all the way to this peak right here at 45.5 million market cap. The chart is down roughly 95% in such a short period of time. I don't even know what the math is from 45 down to 1.9, but it's a 95% plus regression from all-time highs. So for me, this is a no-brainer. And when you actually scroll down and look into the token itself, it's got 1,000 people in their community already. The creator has earned over $247,000 in rewards. And the whole concept of this token is it's all for a good cause. Pretty much he gives away all of the rewards that he earns back to other streamers, creators, people in the ecosystem. And the underlying purpose is just to spread kindness. And I think tokens like this with good incentives and good morals always have a pretty solid run up. Not to mention this token has been listed on lots of other exchanges, including Moonshot, which is a pretty hard exchange to get listed on. So this is one of the tokens I'm going to look into building a position probably within the next few days and weeks as we gear up for the next leg. Now, the next token that I would eye or just take a look at is this Bagwork token. Obviously within the app here, you can click on this About tab and see there's 2.5 thousand members in the community. They're actively streaming pretty much every single day. Here you can see one of the recent clips and streams. It's all happening as we speak. They're streaming pretty much every single day, coming up with new content. The chart is also kind of bottomed, went to roughly 53 million market cap during that little frenzy window, and now it's down to 4.5 million. So roughly 92% drawdown from all-time highs. Had this little wick down to 4.7, and then it kind of retraced back to anywhere between 8 to 12 million about 5 days ago. This is another one of those tokens that has gotten lots of interactions from Elon, from the Pumpfun team. This was actually considered to be the main runner, and you can kind of just read through the chat and the comments to kind of get a sentiment for how people are feeling about this token. The actual About tab is my favorite because it just gives you an overall insight into everything. And just by looking at the creator rewards, we can see that these guys have made over $300,000 in rewards just by streaming on here. Now, another coin that was actually launched by one of the most notable people in crypto Twitter, actually Alex Becker's Stream Season coin. This token had insane motion the day it was released. It actually went all the way up to 15 million, actually 18.9 million all-time high on the release day. And people were insanely hyped to see this token launch, and they were gearing up to buy it, max bid it, send it to the moon. But there's some complications within the app, some complications within streaming. People didn't really know Alex Becker's vision for it. It was pretty stagnant above 10 million market cap, and then it slowly just dwindled all the way down to roughly $870,000 market cap. I actually built a small position there, and then a few days later it actually went all the way back up to 2 million. So I had a little quick flip there. And if you don't know who Alex Becker is, I think he could spark up a stream on this token or on the platform any given time. One more tweet where he tweets about this token or just talks about it or just decides to have a mini restream back on here, it'll send the token flying. And when we go back to analyze some more stuff, the About tab, you have ZSS Becker. He plays a lot of games. Now, when we go back to the About tab, he's got 1.5 thousand people in this community. His creator rewards are insane. $360,000 in rewards. So I definitely think there's a world in which he could maybe come back for a little stream and just talk about the token, talk about the rewards he's earned, maybe give us a little roadmap. It could be in the next few months or weeks. We never know. I'm just fully speculating, but that's how I like to play these dip buys. But I already played the dip on this once. I might sit out of this one completely and just play the other two that I mentioned. But this is definitely a good third in my opinion because of how famous and popular Alex Becker is. And I could definitely see this coin making a comeback at some point. Now, Now, if playing dips really isn't your trading strategy, you don't really want to buy older coins, then that's totally respectable. A good alternative would just be to wait on the live tab, kind of give it a couple refreshes, see what's going on, and just look for newly launched live streamer tokens. Obviously, here's Mitch's token. He's a pretty prominent figure within crypto Twitter. His token's sitting at roughly 1.5 million. FTP, feed the people, 900,000 market cap. Stream.fun is currently live. We talked about this one. Buckazoid's token. This is a pretty famous meme from earlier. There's just lots of new random people going live every day. And I wouldn't be shocked to see if we get a pretty prominent live streamer just one day go live on Pumpfun. Like, what happens if a tier 1, tier 2 streamer like Kaisenat or the Nelk boys decides to go live on Pumpfun? Obviously, scouting early and just being prepared at that moment is going to make you a ton of money, but it's also really hard to speculate on people like this going live. You never know what could happen, but just being prepared for the off chance that it does happen gives you a better opportunity to make more money and out trade 99% of people. Overall, I'm in it for the long run. Medium to short-term swings on projects, coins, and ecosystems that I'm bullish on is where I've made the most of my own personal profits when trading crypto and meme coin. The team over at Pumpfun has proven time and time again that they're going to be at the forefront of Solana meme coins. Who knows, maybe at some point you'll see a tjrtrades live streamer coin on Pumpfun. But until then, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.